welcome back to another video. We have made a lot of progress. So we'll be using the lathe. We'll be showing you how the lathe works. So, yeah. This is the piece of wood that I will be using. And the safety stuff, goggle, ear thing, things that you can use is a vacuum. When you're gonna be carving wood, you don't want to be in the danger zone. The danger zone is in front of the piece of wood that's spinning on the lathe. So now I have a cylinder with a cube on top. So we got the sort of base down, but now we will be moving on to the head of the cup. Guys, so we have this right here. Yeah, so that's what we ended up with. That'll be it for today's video. Hit that subscribe button and bell. So yeah.